Login loop error on National Bank of Canada financial fix. If your National Bank of Canada financial app keeps looping every time you try to log in, it can be incredibly annoying. You type your credentials, it loads for a second, and then back to the login screen. But here's the thing most people don't realize, the issue usually isn't your password. Login loops often happen because of corrupted app cache, outdated cookies, or even small-time synchronization problems between your phone and the bank's servers. Fortunately, there is a quick way to fix it. Start by closing the app completely. Don't just switch windows. Go into your phone settings, open apps, find National Bank of Canada Financial and select storage. Tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. This clears any corrupted session files that are trapping your login. Next, reopen the app and log in manually. Don't use autofill or biometric login just yet. Enter your username and password by hand. If that doesn't work, check your phone's time and date settings. Make sure Tire set to automatic. Even a few seconds of time difference can cause the app's authentication to fail, sending you right back to the login screen. If you're on a web browser, clear your cookies and cache, then restart your browser. And here's another key point: if you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. The bank's servers might detect that as suspicious activity, breaking the login session. Also, ensure that your app is up to date. Outdated versions may not be compatible with the latest security or API changes on the bank's end. Once you've done all of that, reopen the app, log in again, and your account access should be restored. So, the next time your National Bank of Canada financial login keeps looping, remember, it's not your credentials, it's your cache and connection. Clear your data, check your settings, and in minutes you'll be back in control of your finances.